Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is the chart of account list of the halt in QuickBooks Online company, which five of the following statements are true about the chart of account, how to make the change to chart of the account and the how product service and link into the charge of account. The correct answer of the question is to add a new accounts. You open the chart of account by selecting account from the left navigation. Select the new open to account window. The sales of product incomes account is a default account when inventory is turned on. The uncategorized incomes and the uncategorized expenses are default account of for online banking activity. If you add a new accounts, the category the department on the which financial statement in the account will show. Delete an account from the chart of accounts if not relevant your business. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.